Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best carbon filter shower is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential upgrades for your bathroom, transforming your daily cleansing ritual into a spa-like experience by tackling common water impurities. Imagine stepping into a shower where chlorine, heavy metals, and other contaminants are significantly reduced, leaving your skin feeling softer, your hair more manageable, and your overall well-being enhanced, all thanks to this innovative filtration technology designed to bring you cleaner, healthier water with every wash. Number 5. SR Sunrise 20-Stage Shower Filter. Introducing the SR Sunrise 20-Stage Shower Filter. It's designed to transform your shower experience by purifying your water. Our advanced 20-stage filtration system effectively reduces chlorine, heavy metals, and sediments. Enjoy cleaner, healthier water with every shower. Each filter cartridge lasts for 12,000 gallons, providing clean water for your family for months. It's an economical choice for a better shower. This filter acts as a moisturizer and purifier, leaving your skin smooth and relieving fatigue. It softens your water for the best feeling on sensitive skin. Designed with a universal 1/2-inch thread, it fits most shower heads. Installation is quick and tool-free, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Crafted with high-quality ABS and finished in polished chrome, it adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. What we like? This filter offers an extensive 20-stage filtration process, ensuring the highest level of purification. With 3 replacement cartridges included, it provides long-lasting clean water for your family. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution to tackle hard water issues and enhance your skin and hair health, this is the one to consider. What people say. The filter is easy to install and works effectively to remove chlorine. The shower head has a nice rainfall design and provides good water pressure. It significantly reduces the hardness of the water, leaving skin feeling softer. Number 4. Aquasana Shower Filter AQ 4105 CHR. Transform your shower into a self-care ritual. This filter reduces damaging chlorine, helping to prevent dandruff and hair loss for softer skin, luscious hair, and easier breathing. Trusted by experts and loved by customers, it's a top pick by leading publications. Enjoy healthier hair, clearer skin, and a superior shower experience. Our eco-friendly filter uses advanced media to reduce over 90% of chlorine. You'll notice a significant improvement in hair texture, color retention, and skin hydration. Enjoy clean, refreshing water with one of the longest-lasting filters available. Each one provides up to 6 months or 10,000 gallons of purified water. No plumbing skills are needed. Set it up in minutes with just 4 simple steps. It fits standard shower arms and provides optimal filtration for up to 6 months. With over 25 years of innovation, our US-based scientists and engineers design filters for maximum contaminant removal, ensuring you get the best water quality. What we like? This filter is dermatologist recommended for healthier skin and hair, proven to reduce 90% of chlorine. It's also an award-winning product recognized by major publications. If you prioritize skin and hair health and want a filter with proven results and expert endorsement, this is an excellent choice for your self-care ritual. What people say. The carbon and copper zinc says it filters out over 90% of chlorine, and I've noticed a big difference in my skin, and it's much less dry and irritated. The filter lasts up to 6 months or 10,000 gallons, they say, and replacing it is super easy. Installation was easy, and it only took about 10 minutes to set up. I also thoroughly cleaned our showers after the boil notice lifted, and a month later there's still no aggregate mildew, lime, or heavy residual water deposits. Number 3. Miniwell L720 Plus Shower Filter System. This shower water purifier is meticulously tested to international standards, ensuring quality. It's specifically designed for your bathroom to combat hard water and effectively remove chlorine, offering a worry-free experience. Experience an ingenious design that tackles common issues like low water pressure and clogging. Our solution effectively removes impurities while offering a practical approach to filter replacements. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, this shower purifier removes 99% of chlorine and impurities. It selectively retains beneficial minerals, preserving their presence in your water. Effortlessly monitor the filtration process with the transparent visual base. Replacing cartridges is simple and convenient, without the hassle of disassembling the shower head. We are dedicated to providing exceptional customer support. If you have any concerns or encounter a temporary decrease in water pressure, please reach out to us. What we like. Featuring a unique double filtration system and a transparent visual base, this filter allows you to easily monitor its performance. It's also designed without calcium sulfite, making it a worry-free option for those with sensitivities. If you appreciate being able to see your filter working and need a gentle, effective solution for hard water, this product is ideal. What people say. The water pressure is good and the filter works well, leaving skin feeling soft and hair manageable. Easy to install and the water flow is strong, making showers more enjoyable. The filter effectively removes chlorine, resulting in noticeably softer water and improved water quality. Number 2. Miniwell Shower Filter 720+. Introducing the Miniwell Shower Filter 720+, designed to transform your daily shower. It comes complete with both a filter and a shower head for immediate use. Our advanced internal filter uses composite activated carbon fiber, offering superior absorption to remove 99% of chlorine and harmful chemicals from your water. Utilizing CND technology for high densification, it effectively removes impurities while preserving beneficial minerals, ensuring your water's TDS value remains unchanged. Tackle sediment and rust with our unique double filter system. Easily replace the PP cotton filter individually, saving you cost and hassle compared to replacing the entire unit. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with your purchase, contact us for a refund or a customized solution. What we like. This package includes both a shower filter and a shower head, featuring a super double filter design with advanced activated carbon fiber. It effectively removes 99% of chlorine while retaining beneficial minerals. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that enhances both filtration and your shower experience, and you appreciate innovative filtration technology, this is a great option. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly with my existing shower head. I noticed a significant improvement in water quality after installing the filter. My skin feels softer and my hair is less dry. The filter effectively removes chlorine and other impurities, leaving the water smelling fresh and clean. Number 1. Sonaki 200p Inline Shower Filter Assembly. Did you know you absorb more chlorine in the shower than any other daily activity? This inline filter assembly effectively removes chlorine, chloramines, and other chemicals from your shower water, ensuring a healthier experience. Installing this filter is a breeze and takes only minutes. Its universal standard brass fitting ensures compatibility with all types of shower units, including overhead, handheld, rainfall, and combo systems. The attractive, compact, and clear housing allows you to visually confirm its effectiveness. Watch as it works to remove sediment, rust, chlorine, and chemicals from your tap water. You don't need to replace your existing shower head. This assembly easily connects between your shower arm and your current shower head, maintaining its position and height. It features a sophisticated multi-layer filtration system. This includes proprietary activated carbon cotton fabric, sediment block fabric, and chlorine ceramic balls for comprehensive water purification. Enjoy softer and cleaner water with every shower. It's designed to tackle common impurities found in your tap water, providing a refreshing and revitalizing cleanse. What we like. This inline filter assembly is designed for easy installation and allows you to see the filtration process through its clear housing. It works with your existing shower head, making it a convenient upgrade. If you want a straightforward way to improve your shower water quality without replacing your current shower head, and you like visual confirmation of its effectiveness, this is the product for you. What people say. The filter is easy to install and fits perfectly with my existing shower head. I noticed a significant improvement in water quality after installing the filter. My skin feels softer and my hair is less dry. The filter effectively removes chlorine and other impurities, leaving the water smelling fresh and clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.